Peddinghaus machines are the world leaders in structural steel fabrication technology. Steel fabricators that own Peddinghaus machines uphold an advantage in the steel industry and have the ability to optimize tonnage capacity. The Anglemaster-663 has been expertly designed to push this tonnage volume in angle, flat bar, and overall detail production. Achieve process accuracy, acquire superior measurement, and alleviate manual labor. Detail components make up the smallest tonnage of any fabricator's workload, but consistently demand the largest amount of labor. This is the foundation for the new design of the Anglemaster-663. The build of the machine is powerful and allows fabricators to automate punching, nibbling, shearing, and marking for angle and flat bar. The in-feed utilizes precise laser leading edge detection, superior clamping, and a patented roller feed measurement system to accurately secure and dimension the material prior to processing. 2 punch cylinders operate with 100 tons of unrelenting force and triple tooling, capable of punching up to 1.5-inch holes. Peddinghaus's intelligently designed tooling grants machine operators simplified tool changes. This time reduction means more profit for fabricators. With the ability to punch holes, slots, oblongs, and square sizes, this machine masters detail processing. Scribing and stamping gives fabricators greater control of fit-up accuracy. Peddinghaus has redefined what it means to be accurate with the patented roller feed measurement system outfitted on the Anglemaster-663. The improved design handles material deviations on a new level. No more costly long pauses in production with a gripper-fed system. The floating disc of the roller feed measurement system adheres to the material despite deviations in the angle and flat bar. With 2 measurement discs, one on the infeed and one prior to the shear, the longest stock maintains perfect punching and shearing. Adherence equals accuracy, guaranteed. The Anglemaster-663 utilizes an extremely powerful and industry-leading 320-ton single-cut shear. This eliminates the slugs produced from double-cut shear mechanisms, minimizing scrap. Rotate the shear blade up to 4 times to utilize multiple radii for perfect shearing of angle. Nibbling has been successfully added to the triple tool punch process. Finally, fabricators can prepare longer slots and notches, increasing the freedom to fabricate and maintain accuracy through and through. Shop error reduction is achieved by adding part information to the material. Scribe layout marks as well as characters using CNC precision. Stamp any combination of 36 characters at a 1/2 inch tall and at a depth of 1/32 inches to maintain detail even after blasting, galvanizing, and painting processes. Utilizing the latest in 3D CAD/CAM software, this CNC angle line is outfitted with Raptor. Complete information is seamlessly transferred from BIM model to Raptor to the machine. Nested parts within Raptor allows the remnant to be placed anywhere within the material, creating the possibility of a perfect part with minimal scrap remaining. The Anglemaster-663 dominates production timetables when compared to processes using hand torches, mag drills, and manual material handling. When it comes to processing with iron workers, the speed and versatility of the Anglemaster-663 translates to an immediate increase in production and profit.
I'd say one of the most intriguing things about the 663 was the ability to do a double punch from both punch heads, so there's 3 punches on each head, but the ability to punch 2 holes during one motion with a 3-inch on center, which is typical industry standard, was a big plus for us. The accuracy and the output is right along the lines of what we were expecting to see. The 663 has also given us the ability to reduce a little bit of repair time and quality control time that we were having to put into our products from the old angle line. Just small misalignments and adjustments that had to be made on the pieces of steel after the angle were fit to it. We're seeing a lot less and less of that now that we're running with a good calibrated machine.
dual triple tool punch presses, redesigned tooling, 100-ton punch hydraulics, 320-ton shear hydraulics, and the patented roller feed measurement system design make the Anglemaster-663 the new industry standard in angle and flat bar processing. Paired with the Peddinghaus material handling system, the Anglemaster-663 provides continuous processing, increased profit, and added shop tonnage. The success of the steel industry is Peddinghaus's top priority. That is why our service and support is unmatched. Request a demo, quote, visit, or call to learn more about the toughest steel fabrication machinery in the world. This is Peddinghaus. We are stronger than steel.